Is this your new home? Built in 2018, this home boasts 4 beds, 4 baths and 4-car garage with many upgrades. This home offers an open concept floor plan on the main level with front entry into the living room. Carpeted living room flows into dining/kitchen area with hardwood flooring. Oak hardwood flooring adds warmth to the dining/kitchen area. Walk out to the spacious deck to enjoy views of Pikes Peak. Awesome curved island with informal seating is perfect for those quick snacks or for extra seating. Ample quartz counters provide space to prepare all your meals. All stainless steel appliances stay, even the gas stove. Huge walk-in pantry provides space for anything and everything. You'll enjoy cooking in this spacious kitchen. Notice all of the cupboards for storage. The kitchen offers views of the dining room and living room. View of living room from dining room. Main level powder room. The expansive master suite on the upper level is filled with natural light. Oversized master suite includes an attached dressing room and 5-piece bath with a laundry room nearby. Beautiful master bath with double vanity, tub and separate shower boasts tile flooring. Master bath offers custom tile work, tub and separate shower. Convenient upper level laundry room is so roomy. Washer/dryer are excluded. The upper level loft is currently being used as a playroom. This area is also perfect for a teen hangout, TV room or office. One of the upper level bedrooms is currently used as an office. Upper level hall bath features a double vanity with solid surface counters and tile flooring. Upper level bedroom 3. Spacious basement family room boasts 8 ceilings. The basement family room includes a wet bar with mini fridge to make entertaining a breeze. You'll appreciate the family room wet bar. Walk out to the back patio through the door at the end of the hallway. Convenient full bath in basement offers a double vanity. Bedroom number 4 is in the basement.